Do you know the real story behind cholesterol and its significance in our body? Let's get started. Cholesterol, to put it in layman's terms, is a variety of lipids that roam freely in our bloodstream. Now, don't let the term lipid intimidate you. As a matter of fact, cholesterol is a necessary component for our survival. Intrigued, aren't you? Well, cholesterol is an essential element in the creation of robust cells that ensure our overall health. But as with many aspects of life, there's a twist. Even though cholesterol is required, having an excess of it can pose certain challenges. High cholesterol can result in the formation of plaques in your arteries. Over time, these plaques increase in size, hindering the smooth flow of blood your arteries. This could potentially invite heart problems, amplifying the risk of heart diseases. So in a nutshell, cholesterol is not an evil entity per se. However, maintaining an appropriate balance of cholesterol is key for our health. But did you know that not all cholesterol is bad? That's right, cholesterol isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of substance. There are actually two types we need to discuss: low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, or HDL. Let's start with LDL. This is what we often refer to as the bad cholesterol. Why? Because it's like an unwanted house guest that overstays its welcome. It builds up in the arteries, causing them to narrow, which can lead to heart disease and stroke. Not exactly the kind of guest you want hanging around, right? But then there's HDL, the good cholesterol. Think of HDL as the friendly neighbor who helps clean up the neighborhood. It works to return LDL cholesterol to the liver, where it can be removed from the body. It's the kind of helper we all could use more of. So remember, it's crucial to maintain low levels of LDL and high levels of HDL for optimal health. So how can you manage your cholesterol levels? Well, it all starts with making a few lifestyle changes. Eating a heart-healthy diet can have a profound impact on your cholesterol levels. This means including more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals, and less of saturated and trans fats. Regular exercise is another powerful tool in your cholesterol-lowering arsenal. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a bike ride, any form of physical activity can help raise your good cholesterol while lowering the bad. It's also crucial to avoid tobacco smoke. Smoking can lower your good cholesterol while increasing your bad cholesterol and your risk for heart disease. And while the occasional glass of wine can be heart healthy, excessive alcohol intake can have the opposite effect. For some, lifestyle changes might not be enough. In such cases, medications can play a crucial role in controlling cholesterol levels, always under the guidance of a healthcare professional, of course. Remember, managing your cholesterol levels is a key step towards maintaining a healthy heart and a healthy life.